let's say a Jew's commencing his Shiur process. So for him to start commencing his Shiur process, that's where he would have to start, is eating kosher.
Yes, 100%. And the best proof, as I heard it from Rabbi Mizrachi Shlita, right? He said this many times when people come to seminar, right? And first, like sometimes just unfortunately, I'm revealing you the secret. Sometimes you have to bribe people and pay them money to come to the 4 stars hotel and all of the meals and free room and pool and this and that, all of the amenities like free just for them to come, unfortunately, right? So and these people, they're not very interested, but since they cannot afford vacation anyway, so they say, why don't we come to these free seminars? And okay, and there is a rabbi, he's going to speak, okay, I'm going to listen whatever he's going to say, but I'm going to enjoy the food and atmosphere, and they're going to be like a concert, like a muktzeh Shabbos, stuff like that, very interesting activities for the kids. And he said many times that people will come very uninterested on Friday, like you can check in like after, like afternoon or something on Friday, right? And they would eat stuff like that. Saturday, on Sunday, they would dance with the rabbi on the stage. So he said, what happened? And he said it's not. Of course, the Torah affect people, but you also have to remember that it takes 3 days for a blood to renew itself, right? Completely. So when this garbage blood, after he's eating or he eating whatever they almost it's like, it's not 3 complete days, but let's say 2.5 days, right? They allowed to stay by Sunday, like 5 p.m. or something, like very late on Sunday, right? So let's say 2.5 days, so most of the blood was changed, and it's a different person. So that's the first thing that we ask people who wants to do the Shiur, start keeping eating kosher. Even though do not change utensil, do not kosher kitchen. It's whatever we learn in a kosher kitchen class is very, very important. But when somebody is trying to do on their way to the Shiur, we don't mention one thing from that book. One thing we don't mention. I mean, maybe meat and milk, but like in some like high level halacha, no details. You understand why? Because when a person starts eating kosher, it's going to cleanse his soul, and he would be able to absorb. And I see that, like, we had the students, and this famous lawyer, was right. He was not keeping kosher, and he was falling asleep. He could not keep up. Like he would go to the courtroom and fight and win big cases. Top guy, like that. I mean, the sharp guy, but the story, he could not keep up. Why? Because of this non-kosher food, tainted the soul. Right? It's not like he wants to sleep. It's tainted soul. Yeah. Okay.